Okay, so the next slide of the PowerPoint. All right, now this probably wouldn't really exist in like a real PowerPoint you were showing your boss, but I have to have a lot of slides and have to be slides for the different things we've done. So way back when I made you give me a data page, I also made you, or before even, when you were just giving me a plan, you gave me a guess as to what one of the things would average out to be. Okay, so if my guess was, I guess to be average of 3 pizzas a month. I did that way a long time ago before I got any points whatsoever. And now we're just going to test the guess to see how good it is. Okay, and so this list right here comes from the fact that I actually have data points now. I took my list of data for that one question, how many pizzas do you get per month? Okay, I took that entire list and I put it in list 1 in my calculator and I did one variable stats and it told me this stuff right here. Okay, now I said that you should do n equals 30 because that way you can do a z-test. If you didn't get n equals 30, you're not going to be very accurate about it, and you were supposed to get n equals 30. So you're supposed to be using a z-test on this. Okay, now I don't have sigma. I mean, my calculator gave me some kind of number, but that doesn't mean anything. My calculator doesn't know that I didn't see the entire population. If nobody wanders past and gives you a sigma, you're just going to have to use S. But I'm still going to do a z-test. So I take all of it. First, I better write down some hypotheses. H0, the mean is equal to 3. Okay, remember that's the other person, not the stuff I did with statistics. And HA, mean not equal to 3. So I'm testing my guess. Okay, my guess goes right here in the hypotheses because that's what's getting tested. All right, then I go to my calculator and I put all this in. I put in the standard deviation, even though it says sigma, I'm going to put 2.01. I put in the mean that I got. I put in n equals 30. Okay, and then when I get down there's that other thing, I make sure to do not equal. Most people said, I guess the average is going to be. So most people are probably going to end up with equal and not equal for right there. Okay, and then I put it all in my calculator. Z is equal to negative 1.18 and P equals 0.238. 0.238, again, no one happened past and told you significance because that doesn't happen in real life. So I use the industry standard 0.05. 0.238 is greater than 0.05. Fail to reject H0. Okay, and then you just put all that on a slide, and that would be your next slide for that.